Meaning of hunter.
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 Hunter. The term hunter refers to a person or animal that searches for and kills prey in order to obtain food. This can refer to individuals who participate in hunting as a recreational activity or those who hunt for subsistence. Hunters use various methods to track prey, including tracking, stalking, and using weapons such as guns or bows. While hunting has been a traditional activity throughout human history, it has also generated controversy due to ethical and environmental concerns. Overall, the term hunter is associated with the pursuit of prey for survival or recreation.